स्नेहा दिजारे मैम ने अभी IBPS का एग्जाम क्रैक किया असिस्टेंट लेवल का. सो मैम से भी पूछते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली मैम का प्रिपरेशन स्टाइल क्या था. सो मैम आपका क्या स्ट्रेटजी था. पहले हम मेंस के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो मेंस में अगर बात करते हैं इंग्लिश की, सो आपने इंग्लिश में क्या प्रिपेयर किया?
I would like to start by saying a big thank you to Banking Solution and thank you Akhil sir. Initially I asked my friend ki I want to go for a banking sector. Only because कि बैंकिंग में जल्दी सिलेक्शन हो जाते हैं. यू गेट सिलेक्शन एंड कॉल लेटर विद इन 3 or 4 months आफ्टर सिलेक्शन. सो आफ्टर इंजीनियरिंग आई हैड सो मेनी ऑफ वेज कि कहाँ जाना है. इधर आई हैव टू गो फॉर प्राइवेट सेक्टर और बैंकिंग सेक्टर. सो आई चोज बैंकिंग सेक्टर. आफ्टर बैंकिंग सेक्टर आई आस्क्ड माई सीनियर्स दैट वेयर यू गॉट कोचिंग फ्रॉम. दे रेफर्ड मी बैंकिंग सोल्यूशन. आई जॉइंड हियर. आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग एंड एवरी टाइम from last 2 years I never got a chance to crack a single exam. Initially I missed it by 5 marks, 10 marks, then it came to 0.4, 0.5 marks. Then I started that I'll give up that. Then I remembered one line said by Rahul sir, the point you give up, the difference between your selection and your journey is only a little bit, so don't give up. Then I went for that. I started I didn't have believed that I'll crack it or something. I started losing hope. I then started giving interview for private exam. Then also I thought कि भाई इतना सारा gap है, you don't have any selection. We only need freshers or experienced person.
अच्छा, इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर में आपको यही बोला गया कि हमें फ्रेशर्स की जरूरत नहीं है.
Either we take freshers or experienced person. I didn't have experience because I invested 2 years almost in banking sector. Then I started thinking कि भाई everywhere there is competition, so I started thinking कि भाई क्या करना है. Then I give my 100%, 200% in this exam and thought कि this will be the last exam of my life. I'll not ever give any banking exam, no more banking now. And then I started preparing. Every time pre was very easy for me. I cracked almost each and every pre. The problem was mains. Then I started thinking कि where to score in mains. Which subject should I concentrate more on, which subject, so that I will be able to crack mains with a good mark. Then general awareness was easy for me. Even I was able to crack solve reasoning and maths. Then the problem was English. Then I started thinking कि भाई English का preparation कैसे करना है, where to start English. Then I thought कि let's start from basic. I started referring from 7th 8th books grammar, and then I thought कि भाई now basics are getting cleared, and this was the main and the most easy way for me to crack the English marks. So
which
7th 8th
you preferred to solve in English? In mains.
Means paragraphs and articles. They mostly help me in reading comprehension. Vocabulary, I focused on vocabulary more because every time I can say that most of the paper of English, only vocabulary is the main part, because in errors you can see large sentences are given, and the vocabulary you need to find. Vocabulary will help to find you the error.
Right.
So vocabulary was the main part. I generally prefer that vocabulary should be as strong as.
How did you prepare for reasoning and aptitude?
Reasoning and aptitude, I started solving mock tests. Initially, I started all the banking solutions books and I covered up all that practice, because material was only available was banking solution books. So I started solving all that books, and after that later on, then I started thinking कि now I didn't have any material to solve, so I went for mock test. And before exams, after mains, I only solved 10 mock papers with great concentration, and with very strictly I solved only 10 papers after prelim, before mains. So that 10 papers only I solved and went for exam, and then
Okay, great. So as you can see, ma'am also said a simple thing that you should prefer mock test. Once you go for the mock test, you'll get complete or detailed idea कि prepare कैसे करना है, कहाँ पे आपकी गलतियाँ हो रही हैं, इस पे आपको ज़्यादा फोकस करना है। मैम आपने थोड़ा रीजनिंग और एप्टीट्यूड के बारे में अगर बता सकते हैं, एप्टीट्यूड में आपने कैसे
aptitude and reasoning 100% credit goes to banking solution because I never had any tricks or I didn't know how to approach for aptitude, quantitative aptitude, because we used to prefer that large methods to solve that we were taught in schools, so never had that tricks and all. And especially Akhil sir and Rahul sir, maths credit goes to them. And reasoning,
इनको पैसे नहीं
no, not at all. It's purely credit goes to sir. During our batch, my maths used to teach by you and Rahul sir. They taught us maths. 2 sirs were there for maths, and for reasoning, that sir I
faculty doesn't matter. It's about us that how did you prepare for it.
Reasoning, I only solved that banking solution books that only preferred I.
Means you can say that you
Number of questions, and resources. Main thing is, and main thing is resources. You need to find that resources. Resources should be available. The only thing is that, and we don't have at that time. We don't know about that, how to get that resources, and resources were available through that books that helped us a lot, because number of questions were there and lots of practice.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your views and your vision. How did you crack? With which vision you done this? Definitely we'll meet again with your new things you're gonna conquer in the upcoming future. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.